Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a gradient color filter to your text inside of Adobe Photoshop. So once you've opened up Adobe Photoshop, you want to create a brand new text, so press the T icon on the left toolbar and just create a brand new text on your composition. So I'm just going to type out Brooker Films and I'm going to increase the size of this. And then as soon as you've done this, you're happy with the text, you want to go over to the bar on the right, that is the adjustment tab, and you want to double click on the T on the Brooker Films layer, that's your text layer, and then we're going to select blending options. Now inside of blending options, you've got all of these different settings on the left, and we're going to press gradient overlay. We'll turn that on and double click on gradient overlay, and that has generated a really basic white gradient. Now pressing on gradient, we can go through all of these different presets, and that is how you make gradient text inside of Photoshop. But if we did want to customize this, we wanted to add our own colors and the amount of gradient that we're going to have in the image, then we can just select one of these presets, double click on the color bar next to gradients, and this menu will present itself. Now in Smoothish, you can see this color bar that ranges from red to green in this example. Now all you need to do to change the color of this gradient is double click the colored squares, and a color picker will pop up and you can select any color that you like. So in this example, I'm going to choose orange for the left, we'll double click on the right square, and we will pick pink for the second color. And there you go, that is a basic gradient applied. Now if you want to favor one color more than the other, all you need to do is slide this diamond from left to right. So if you slide it towards the orange, then it's going to favor the pink, and if you slide it towards the pink, it's going to favor the orange. And if you want less fading between these two colors, all you need to do is drag these boxes closer together, and that fade will be less visible and you'll physically be able to see a line in between the colors. But if you don't want that, then all you have to do is pull these colors back away from each other. Now if we come out of the gradient menu, we can adjust a few more settings. So we can adjust the angle of the gradients, and then we can also adjust the scale of the gradient, and then we can just come out of that menu, and there you go. That is how you generate gradient text inside of Adobe Photoshop.
If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe by pressing that circle icon up there, and also don't forget to check out the previous video by clicking this rectangle icon just down here.